What's up, you all? This is Hussein Nasser from IGeometry. We are back. It's been a while. I think 2 weeks. Yes, I have been busy with a lot of stuff. Sorry about that. As I promised, this is a new video for you guys. So today, what we will do, we'll continue with our last lesson. It's the relationships. Today, what we will do is, after this machine boots up, is we will view the ratings of a given restaurant. So this is again a relationship query. So we need to query, view all these relationship data records, and view them in a table or some sort of interface. We'll think about it. I'm drinking a noisette. For those who doesn't know what noisette is, it's a French word for espresso macchiato. It's basically, that's it. It's just an espresso with a hint of milk. So it's very nice, especially after lunch. So where were we? So I'm gonna select a restaurant. Booyah. No. Nice. Remember, we did the ratings, right? So what we will do here, based on 2 reviews. So when I click this, we already did that. We looped. Oh, okay. So it's it's in a message. So it's not that good. It's fine. I don't. You get the point, right, guys? I don't see the point of populating them in a table. It's actually very easy. So what we will do here is just we will add a code to add a new rating then, right? Because this is simple. We don't want to waste time. Okay, so I'm gonna add a new button here to add a new review. So little change in the episode. Not to worry, guys. So let's get it started. We open the... Guys, I'm gonna ask you a question. If you are watching this, do you prefer a longer episodes or a shorter ones? So if you do you want me to post the whole thing, explain everything? Are you comfortable with a 40-30 minutes video, or you want me to cut those videos down to 10 minutes or 15 minutes? So this is a question for you, because I want to decide, because I don't know, some of my friends say your videos are very long, and some of them said you have to cut them shorter. But I say, if I cut them shorter, then most of these rich information that I explain won't be there in the videos, especially in the development. I don't think it's possible. Maybe you have ideas. I don't know. If you have some ideas, do suggest them in the comment box down there. Alright, guys, so what we have here, we are adding a new restaurant. No, we are editing an existing restaurant. So this is the form. What I want to do here is simply add a new review. How about that? So to add a new review, what we need is to add a new review, we need, of course, the date of the review. We need the rating. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it whatever? And we need also the name of the person who rated, I guess, and that's pretty much it, right? So these are the information required by us. So how can I do this? So I have the easiest method is just do it here, So we can, for instance, I hope there are some drawings. Containers, nope. Oh, I can always use a Dropbox, that's good. So we use a group box here, group box, and in this group box we'll say add review or post review. That's much like it. So post review, I want to post a new review. So you need to supply some information. So let's steal this button. No need. Just add our own button. How lazy are you, Hussein? Stealing buttons. God damn it. So here, CMD, what? Add review. Okay. Where are you? Add review. Add review. So here, I'm gonna add a text box. Where is this main? Combo box. Dude, forgot everything. So there's a label. There's, you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna copy. Sue me. Alright? Copy, paste. Call me lazy. I don't care. Okay, so this is what? What is this? What is this, man? The actual review name, review, user, whatever. Okay, the user who reviewed the rating, and of course, the rating is not a text, it is a drop-down list. We'll get to that. And of course, the review is actually a multi-line box. How about that? So we can bring this down, I guess. Nicely done, nicely done, nicely done. So now let's do the rating. So this guy have to select the rating of the restaurant. Alright, this is the review, this is the rating, okay? This is the review, that's rating. Already 7 minutes passed. I'm counting the minutes. Right. So here we need a drop-down list. Where's the drop-down list, man? Drop-down combo box. It's not a drop-down list. 2 weeks. That's all it takes to forget everything. Lord. Text review. Let's do this. Text user. I can do it. I can do it. We can do it, guys. We can do it. We can do it. So add review. What I want to do is add a new review to the reviews table. So first of all, we need to access the review table, and thankfully we have some code there to access the table. Isn't that right? And since we are adding, so this is editing, so we need to start editing. So we need to have access to the feature workspace, to workspace. Okay, I have the review table. What I want to add is a new record here. Oh, come on. Okay. Venues review. So what I want to add is, this is not necessary. You don't have to add the object ID. It will be created by default. Review, you do have. Review date, let's just leave it as now. Today, this is very easy. Venue object, this is the most important one. Is what is the venue object ID, which is the restaurant ID, linked to this review? User, and of course the rating. This is a number, integer. So, as a start, first of all, we need to add some sort of you know what? For simplicity, we're gonna stick with lists here, items. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I know, guys. 1 is bad, 5 is excellent. Later, we're gonna play with it. Let's just be lazy today. So we have the workspace. I need to start editing now. Then pf workspace, no, not feature workspace, p workspace edit. You by now you know this. Click here to see the magic. Will take you back to the editing session episode. The feature workspace. So this is how we edit, guys. Start editing. True. P workspace edit. Start edit operation. We have learned all of this. We have learned all of this. This is saving it now. Here our editing. So what is our editing? Is actually adding a new review record. How can I do that? I totally forgot. It is add row. No, it is rows. Create row. How simple is that? You create a row. Remember, there's I believe there is, we did that with the feature, so there will be a create feature. How about that, huh? So create feature class does create feature. Since row is inheriting from no, the feature class is inheriting from the I table. It's the same concept. So it is create row. So what we do here, we set the shape. No shape required, thankfully, because we are not storing a geometric object here. It's just a record. So you have to do that. Set the value, code, and booyah. That says store this. So very simple, guys. Very simple. So create row. Pdem p new row as I row equal this. Since it is a table, it should be a row. Okay. P new row dot fee value of what field? P new row dot fields dot find field. I need to populate first of all. The most important thing is the venue object ID. Venue object ID. So venue object ID. Alright, equal. What is the object ID, man? It is the object ID. Remember, this is a property, right? This is the property of this whatever we opened, whatever restaurant we opened, we store the object ID. Go back to the previous episode. You'll learn how did we do this. It's actually straightforward. P new row dot value, p new row dot fields dot find field, and the second thing is what? That's the painful thing. I don't know. User rating. So okay, let's do the user. User is the user, so equal text user dot text. How simple is this? Mirror dot value, p new row dot fields dot find field rating. Rating is actually what? CMB rating dot text. The selected rating. Okay, and for simplicity, okay, we're gonna do this. No, leave it as it is. Doesn't matter really. And of course, most important thing is the actual review, right? P new row dot value, p new row dot fields dot find field review, and then we close equal cmp review. No, it's text review dot text. How simple is this, guys? P new row, after we populate all these values, we need to call the store function. And hopefully everything will be okay. A-okay. And here we have to close the form though, guys. If we don't close the form, you will not see these reflections. Or either close the form or reload this altogether. So what we will do, so I think this will be all. That's it. So let's just compile and see. Oh, we forgot the date, guys. Let's not forget the date. Review underscore date. It's very straightforward. P new row dot value, p new row dot fields dot find field, review underscore date, and equal now. Hopefully this will work. Now is actually a keyword, or I don't want to call it keyword. It's actually a function that will return the current date and time and everything. So let's do this. Open. Can we make this work from the first run or not? Probably not, but yeah. Hussein has reviewed this. Hussein was here. This is a very bad restaurant, bad service. Add review. No message whatsoever. Nothing. So close, and hopefully you notice that this is based on 3 reviews. How about that, guys? Hussein said it's very bad service, so you have to take his word for it. So then Nada, my wife, also said it's no, she liked it. Great restaurant. It's a very great restaurant. That's she. Wow, 4 reviews. So you can see this is calculating a new average as we add new reviews. How about that, guys? That was a short episode brought to you by yours truly. Hope you enjoyed it. I think. Oh, well, before we wait. Why are you in a hurry, Hassan? Why are you in a hurry? Just show them some respect now. Show them the actual values. How about that? Show it to them, huh? See, guys. There you go. There you go. There you go. This is. And this is today. If you didn't, that's the most important thing. We put the 31. See, all these reviews have in common this object ID, which is a reference to this restaurant. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay awesome, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. And the next one, maybe we'll go easy on the programming, and we're gonna explain something you guys always wanted. A lot of you emailed me to explain how do you read object models. How do you read the ESRI ArcObject object model, and how do you know that this function is in this class or whatever, you know? So we will hopefully tackle this in the next episode. You stay tuned. I'm gonna see you on the next one. All right, goodbye.